le passé composé. Let's talk about the passé composé. We use it to talk about the past. Compare. Let's look at the left and then the right. Présent, passé composé. Je marche, j'ai marché. J'oublie, j'ai oublié. Je parle, j'ai parlé. We use the passé composé to talk about the past. Now, the word composé means composed of more than one thing. It can mean a mixture. So in France, you can order une salade or une salade composée. Une salade is a bunch of lettuce. Une salade composée is a salad that's made up of lettuce and maybe tomatoes and maybe carrots and onions and other things. The passé composé is a mixture. The passé composé consists of an auxiliary verb and a past participle. There are two parts to the passé composé. Tonight we're going to learn about the auxiliary verb avoir. So we're going to have avoir conjugated plus a past participle. Do you remember how to conjugate the verb avoir? Let's do it. Repeat after me. J'ai, tu as, il a, elle a, nous avons, vous avez, ils ont, elles ont. You need to know how to conjugate the verb avoir cold, backwards, off the top of your head, upside down, blindfolded, hands tied behind your back. You have to be able to do it instantly. It's not too late. Get out those flashcards and get somebody to quiz you every day, and you'll know it cold. The passé composé is going to look something like this. You've got one of the following conjugations of avoir on the left, and you're going to have the past participle on the right. Let's say it again together. Say it after me. J'ai, tu as, il a, nous avons, vous avez, ils ont. So, how do we form past participles? Well, it's easy. To form the past participle of most ER verbs, chop off the ER and add et. So you, going from left to right, regardez, replace it with regardez, and then manger becomes manger. You're right. You heard me right. They're pronounced exactly the same. ER and A sound alike. To form the past participle of most IR verbs, you chop off the IR and you replace it with an I. So finir becomes fini. Obéir becomes obéi. Grossir becomes grossi. Repeat after me. We'll go from left to right for each example. Finir, fini. Obéir, obéi. Grossir, grossi. To form the past participle of most RE verbs, chop off the RE and add U. You get descendre, descendu. Vendre, vendu. Now you have to memorize the information that's on this page, and there are really only 3 things to learn. You might want to pause and take notes. Note that the end sound of each of these words is identical. Regardez, regardez, regardez. And let's look at the list of just endings. Pronounce after me. Et. Yep, they're identical. Now you try some. Change je regarde to the passé composé. Press pause if you need to. Do it on a piece of paper. J'ai regardé. Change je travaille to the passé composé. Do it on a piece of paper. Push pause if you need to. J'ai travaillé. Change je grossis to the passé composé. Write it on a piece of paper. You know the drill. J'ai grossi. I got fat. I worked. I watched. Let's do je vends. J'ai vendu. Gave you that answer, didn't I? Oops. Now, you do the work. Change the following sentences to the passé composé. Do it on a separate piece of paper. Je passe le ballon à Pierrette. Elle donne un coup de pied dans le ballon. Le gardien ne regarde pas. Paulette marque un but. Le match finit. Nous célébrons la victoire. Nous vendons le trophée. Please turn in your sentences next class. Thank you very much. That's all for tonight.